Hey guys, it's Maymay, and we're back to YouTube top tips. And today I want to show you how to personally set your notifications. If you'll remember in our last top tip, I showed you how to subscribe and turn on the bell. Well, let me tell you how to set the notifications for that bell so you'll always get notified of what you're interested in watching. So the first thing you do is you head to your account, which is your little icon in the top right corner. Click on that, and when you do, the drop down will show. And what you want to click now is the settings option. Do you see where it says settings? So click on settings, and that's going to bring up this page. On the far left-hand side, see where it says notifications? Click notifications. That's where you want to go. Okay. So when you get here, it says choose when and how to be notified. Select push and email notifications you'd like to receive. So when you head down here, push notifications are notifications that typically come to you like on your phone through text messaging, and sometimes through your computer as well if you get notifications on your computer. So look here, notify me about activity from the channels I'm subscribed to. I definitely want that, so I have that one turned on. Recommend videos. Notify me of videos I might like based on what I watch. I definitely want that too. That's how I find new channels. Now, this one says activity on my channel. Notify me about comments and other activity on my channel or videos. Notice I have this one turned off. My channel has a lot of comments and things that happen all day long, so I don't want to get notification of that on my phone all day, every day. So instead, I just come back and check my channel periodically, and I leave this one turned off. On this one, activity on my comments, notify me about activity on my comments or others' videos. This is really cool because if you're someone who goes around and maybe you comment on YouTubers' videos, which we love, by the way, we love comments, especially positive and nice ones. If you make comments and maybe a creator wants to respond back to you, if you have this turned on, you'll get a notification if someone responds to your comment. So I love to leave these on because if I'm coming in and answering your comments, I like to know when you guys have responded back to me as well. Replies to my comment. Notify me when someone replies to my comments. There's that one. Mentions. Notify me when others mention my channel. Now, if you're not a creator, this may not mean anything to you, but as a content creator, I like to know if I'm mentioned on other channels and comments, and this is one way I can do that. It's kind of like how Facebook does, when they send you a notification. And then notify me occasionally when my content is shared on others' channels. I do have that marked. If someone shares a video, every now and then I'll get a notice from it, and that's pretty cool. Now, those are push notifications. Let's look at email. It says to unsubscribe from an email, click the unsubscribe link at the bottom of the button. So if you set this up and you start to get so many emails you don't enjoy it anymore, you can do two things. You can unsubscribe from the email itself at the bottom of the email, or you can come right back here and turn these settings off. So see where it says send me emails about my YouTube activity and updates I requested. These emails will be based on what you requested here. Okay. And then your preferences. Notify me about activity from the channels I'm subscribed to. Turn that on, and you'll get an email every time someone you subscribe to uploads a video. General product updates, announcements, and recommendations. I have this turned on because I like to know about those kind of things, especially when they're YouTube related. You may not care too much about those, like, YouTube updates and things like that. So you might want to turn that one off. And then your YouTube channel updates, announcements, and personalized tips. I like to keep this again because I like to know when there's something new I need to know about on YouTube, but you may not care to. You can see here what you've unsubscribed to, and then that's pretty much it. By the way, you can change the language on your by what you're seeing by that little drop down. So I think that will help you guys. So many times you'll say to me, when do you upload videos? I miss videos. Now remember, I do have a schedule, but even at that, sometimes you can't keep up because I do also have two different channels that we use. So be sure click the bell, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and come in and set your notifications. And there you will most likely not miss as many videos that way. I hope that little top tip helps. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.